Hey guys, we have some IPSY boxes to go over. I want to show you guys kind of like what came in these brand new boxes. I believe this is August. I feel like I'm so behind on these boxes. I get them so early and then time goes by too quickly for me. But the first thing I want to show you guys is what came inside of the Glam Bags, the small little tiny subscription. And if you guys want to know like the subscriptions and all of the different information, I do have it listed down below in the description box. You can check it out. The first thing we got here is from Benefit, and this is the Fan Fest Fanning Volumizing Mascara. So this is a mascara from Benefit. And I've never tried this, so that actually is kind of interesting. Inside here, we also have the Poreless Salicylic Acid Cream. It's a smoothing cream. Interesting. I've never heard of the brand. And then also we have from Thread Color It Lipstick. So it's this one right here. So that's kind of interesting. It's like in a really cool packaging. Then what do we have here? So this is from Saturday Skin, and this is the Avocado Date. This is a Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. So an eye cream. Nice. And what else? I think there's an eyeshadow palette in here. Oh yeah. So from Lottie London, we have a little tiny mini eyeshadow palette, and those are very warm tones, very typical, I guess, you know. And this was the little bag. So that's what came inside of the Glam Bag. I think it was cute. Didn't knock my socks off, but it's cute. Then we have the next one. So this is what you would be considered like the BoxyCharm, right? So the BoxyCharm one. What do we have in here? Berries and Dreams. Ooh, from Violet Voss. That's actually really nice. What is it? It's an eyeshadow palette, but ooh, pretty. So that is a very beautiful eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. So that's actually really nice. You know, berry colors usually don't look great on me. I wish that we could still do giveaways on YouTube. I wonder, can we still do giveaways? Because like I would love to give this to one of you guys, because honestly, I don't look good in berry. Then we have here Fume. What is this? Camille Exciler Oil. So it's an oil, an Exciler oil. They have to make it sound like so fifi, you know? Oh, look how pretty that bottle is. Ooh, that looks fancy. Okay, so I've never heard of that, but it sounds really fancy. The Fume. Sounds fancy. Okay, so then we have, what is this? The Intense Color Fierce Flick Black. That's a lot of words, but it doesn't tell me what it is. What are you? A graphic eyeliner? Oh, it's a liquid liner from Fierce? From Ciate London. Oh my God, Christina, read. That's what it looks like. So it's just a black liner. So that's always great. Everybody loves a good black liner. We have Set and Prep Setting Spray. I actually been wanting a good setting spray. Ooh, this looks nice. Look at that. What a fun, like, little modern looking case that is. And then finally, we have a No Problem Touch and Soul Primer. I've never actually tried this one. Have you guys tried this before? So that is what came inside of the BoxyCharm. That one was also good. I would say last month, I think, was a little bit on the better side. So now for the Icon box, this is like the big box, and I don't really know. Was like somebody like actually like in charge of doing this one? So in here we have, so I believe this is the Icon box, right? Because this is like big. But I thought that they said it was going to be curated by brands, but I don't think this one is. So this one says No Glacial Bay Clay Mask. I'll let you know if somebody curated this. But this is a clay mask. Ooh, and then from Iconic London, we have the Lip and Cheek Trio. That sounds interesting. What do you look like? Lip and Cheek Trio. I feel like I own this. Or I owned it? Did I own this already? Ooh, no, I never even. Look at that. That's pretty. So I guess you can use it for your lips or your cheeks. That is actually really useful. I might actually really like that because I've been really into cream blush lately. I have to show you guys my new thing. Like, I'm literally not wearing foundation anymore. Like right now I am because I'm filming, but lately I don't wear foundation because I have a new trick. Let me know if you want me to teach you my trick. I'm so excited. So from Wonder Beauty, we have the Skyliner Duo. Ooh, I like this. So it's jet black and brown. I love eyeliner. So this I'm going to be using for sure. Oh, okay, this is like my favorite product in the world. So this is from Lawless. It's Forget the Filler. And this I'm just gonna put up on display because I love this product. And yeah, look at that. That's my favorite one too. It's the clear one. I cannot get enough of that product. So that guy is going straight up on display for me. Then we have the Brand for All Humans. What is this? A no gender specific what? What is it though? Concentrate? A pile-to-nutrient concentrate? Do I not know how to read? Yeah, I don't, but I don't know what that says. Interesting. I don't know what it is, but cool. Okay, so then we have brushes. Ooh, I love these Farrah brushes. They usually have such cool brushes, and these are really pretty. I love the color. It's like a stone color. Actually matches my new Natasha Denona palette. So then we have Earth Harbor neck cream. I should be using a neck cream, you know? Because like as you age, you should use neck cream. So maybe I should use this. Look at that. Have you guys ever tried that? And then finally in here we have from Il Maquillage. You guys, I've never used anything from Il Maquillage. I always see the commercials and I never used anything. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that beautiful palette. Those are colors like right up my alley. I like that. So that is everything that came inside of this icon box. This month was okay. I don't think there was anything that really knocked my socks off. I think the box were curated fine. Like they have cute stuff in them. Like definitely the icon box had the best stuff. I like the color selection. I like the, you know, the blush. I like the cute little palette, the brushes. Like I feel like there was a lot of good stuff in this box, and like the lip plumper from Lawless. It had good consistent stuff. Like nothing that blew my socks off, but I would definitely say like if you got this box, you'll probably be happy. The little bag I think was like the least favorite this month. It was like okay. I didn't love like hardly anything in it, to be honest, but I do think that the BoxyCharm was also good. Like it had cute stuff in it. It wasn't the best one. I've seen better, but yeah, I think the icon box took the cake on this month, and I think that they were okay, you know? So what did you guys think? Did you guys get the subscription this month? What was your thoughts? What did you get inside of your box? I know last month there was like a huge Natasha Denona palette. It was so cool, you know, so like you're off of a high and then now it's like, you know, like you're waiting for like that next like, ooh, what's gonna be in it? But anyways, I think it was okay. What did you guys think? It was still good though. So leave your comments down below. Of course, if you want to sign up to IPSY, I do have the information in the description box as well. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.